Hi, my name is Carson Crenwelge, and I'm a Healthy Texas Youth Ambassador. And before me, I have an egg slicer. An egg slicer is defined as an application with two halves that has wires on one half and an egg-shaped crevice in the other. And when one half is brought down, it cuts the egg into evenly sliced pieces. Some safety concerns that may come up when using an egg slicer is to be wary of these wires right here. Some of them are sharp and can cut you. As well as, whenever you're bringing it down, make sure that no fingers or even an egg that is too big is blocking it and causing it to not close properly. A fun fact about the egg slicer is that it's actually been used in multiple music videos and musical recordings as sort of like a miniature harp. A recipe I use the egg slicer for pretty much every day is cutting up an egg or even an avocado or a strawberry and putting that in my salad. Recipes like this and many more can be found at dinnertonight.tamu.edu. Thank you.